Hello and welcome to another edition of On This Planet Earth. This week we're going back to Moldova and we're going to watch a drone video. My subject? My hometown of Riscani in the northern part of the country. One reason why I'm playing this video again is to show people just how, well, easy it is to get beautiful drone shots. Drones can be hard to fly, they can be very easy to wreck, and very easy to damage or destroy, ask me. But they also can be very easy to fly, using simple flights to get really dramatic, incredible photos and videos. Yes, you can fly drones hundreds of feet in the air and miles away, but you don't have to. You can get beautiful shots and video by just flying 100 feet in the air, or even 50, or even 10 right above people's heads. All right, let's take a look at that video. Now, some of the shots, are pretty complicated, but look at the simple ones and kind of how easy they are to make. Easy, huh? At least on the drone part. Now remember, you also have to do some editing. If you have a Mac, you can get iMovie for free. I now use Adobe Premiere Elements on my Mac. Gives me a little more control. I sold my Phantom 3 drone after I finished my Peace Corps service. I've considered buying another drone, a smaller one, because they're so darn much fun. But I haven't bought it for, well, two good reasons. First is I'm traveling on a motorcycle, and a drone is just another piece of equipment I have to carry, maintain, repair. And also, I'm busy enough as it is with all the cameras that I already have. Don't really need another one. Man, that music is loud. How are you supposed to meditate? I'm making all this at a few temples in Vientiane, the capital of Laos. You can probably guess just how hard it is to keep up the paint job on these temples, and most of them that I see are terribly faded, especially the beautiful red paint which goes first. Looks like this one has just been redone. Sure wish I had a drone. Well, thanks for hanging and watching again my favorite video, My Heart Over Riscani. I'm Mark Gilchrist, and I am, and you are, we all are, on this planet Earth.